Safety in the workshop at Beverley Grammar School, boys' school. Look at this picture of 3 boys. What's going wrong? There are about 6 particular hazards or safety features which you should pick up. On this picture there are actually about 8 features which you should pick up on, possibly 9 or 10. Can you make a list of them now? Of course, we must not fool around in the workshop. If you look at this picture here, there's again about 5 or 6 things that you should pick up on if you look at it carefully. One of the things is you should not wear sandals in a hard workshop area. Again, looking at this one, there are some obvious features which you should spot. You shouldn't throw planes, of course, in a workshop. Certainly not darts with pointed arrows, they could take somebody's eye out. But be aware there are quite a few other little things in this picture you should pick up on. This picture is nice and simple. There's really only a couple of points here, and that is the rucksacks are actually in a corridor. Don't put bags in a corridor where you can be tripped over. And there's also somebody with a drinks bottle on the table. Each table has electric points, so we don't put drinks near electric points. Drink at the back of the room only. Here it's obvious what's wrong. You should never run in a workshop area, or I guess you should not step in front of somebody carrying a sheet of glass when they are running into you. With this particular picture I always feel like saying, the boy is saying, "Sir, sir, my robot's revolting." Anyway, look at the picture. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 possible reasons why I think it could be dangerous. Never be tempted to do this. This could result in blinding someone. The files have hit together to create a spark, which entertains some boys, which is stupid. The files could actually snap off and fly through the air and easily blind someone. Also, there are 1 or 2 other points in that picture you should spot. Again, here there are about 7 or 8, possibly 9 hazards or safety features you should be aware of, so try to make a list of these. And lastly, this picture shows 3 boys working in the workshop. There are a clear 5 problems here, or 5 hazards that you should pick up on, possibly more, but 5 that I can see quite easily.